So they had an option. In fact, it's less fees and Mangalore University or various other places. But still, I remember, yes, they preferred to join this experimentation, and we were not very clear what we were doing. But they took the challenge, and now, when last 10 years, when I look at it, yes, we have from PPC, I can confidently tell we have leaders in biostatistics working at various industries, and they are coming to Manipal or they are coming to PPC, even making the recruitment. So that is a happy thing we can look at it. Now, why I said this is probably this is an experiment we have done. Now, I think it's the colleges should join in hands. Really, experimenting further by increasing numbers, because ultimately we have to look at it, our next generation what they do. Yes, of course, our job is guaranteed, we get salary, everything is done. But we have to look what will do our next generation. If we create an opportunity for them, I think that is much more than our salary or much more than anything what we achieve. If we, for example, Pradeep, anytime, anywhere I see him, we have a really, it's not the relation with the HOD and the student, very cordial relation. We have together conducted training at many places. I mean, it is a pleasant exercise and experience if we create an opportunity for our students, means our next generation. That's us teachers, that's the best thing we can do it. So I stop here telling, yes, at present if you look at it, in India, they don't have to go abroad. In India, there are enough number of opportunity for statisticians. Actually, they are not, the people are not very, even I was telling, it's yesterday, one of my friends, he is heading the Department of Biostatistics at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi. He just rang me up and said, Sreekumaran, can you send a student just completed MSc and can do computing well? I asked, sir, how much will be the salary? He said, definitely 80,000 or more he will get it. He or she will get it. But unfortunately, I don't have a person to say that this is a problem. Okay, same way last week I was giving a seminar at Madras Diabetic Research Foundation, because we work with many these of agencies who work in the health science research. Dr. Mohan himself, he's the head of the MDR, he said, they have a biostatistics division, but they need a person to head them. I asked, yes, what level of experience you are looking at it? Yes, the person should have some at least 7 to 8 years experience, because the person should head the department to look after the computing aspect of it, set up the hypothesis and things like that. It means the person should be the leader. Then I asked the question, because whenever I talk about myself, I have no problem. But when I talk about my student, I ask how much they get it back. Okay, so it is as a teacher my responsibility. How much they get it? I mean, they should be paid well. He said they can decide their salary. I mean, if I get the right candidate, the candidate can tell what is the salary the candidate wanted. What I am telling is, in India, it is really opening up, and there are enough opportunity for statistics. I have no doubt. Even this year, 15 students we placed, and we don't have anybody now. And already we have request at least for 10 more people from GSK. We have request. We have a Novartis request. We have all natural medical science request. We have PHMA. So many places we have requests, but we cannot. We don't have. That is a problem. So what my request is, it is not the earlier statistics. Don't think that 10 years, 15 years back, 20 years back what statistics was. After statistics I do a bank examination or a LIC examination and competitive examination and job. I'm not telling those jobs are bad, but move away from my own discipline, I work, no more. If the student is competent, it's a master's level, you completed, competent, and you know application. That is very important. You know only theory, there is a problem. You know application, you are oriented with the application, and you can work, if you guarantee you can work with a heterogeneous team where doctors will be there, it's a sociologist will be there, and statisticians will be there, sometimes journalists will be there. That is a heterogeneous team. You are ready to work with it. You have that HR skills. That is very important. That is little different from statistics. If you have that, definitely you have a bright future. And I request, I know that teachers from various colleges are here. I think it's we should look forward and create this opportunity for our next generation. And so that you will find your own students getting placed in your own discipline and getting different organizations. For example, Pradeep, within 7 years, he is getting the biostatistics cell. So it is a pleasure to see. Earlier, it would have taken 20 years, 25 years to get a department. Now, within 7 years, that is what is required, and you feel really proud of it. So that is my humble request to all of you. It's please statistics, especially teachers here, develop and network and